My name is Arid.
Hello everyone, my name is Arjun.
Hello, my name is Jason.
Hi everyone, my name is Daniel.
Hey Erich,
Yep.
what did this unit teach you?
I think more than anything, it taught me the benefits of the Agile approach. I've been taught the Agile approach many times before, but I've never actually applied it to our projects. So I got to see this idea that we had in the beginning of the semester, which we had nothing, turned into this huge project that's a website that's up and running within the span of 12 weeks, which was pretty cool.
What did this unit teach you?
Yeah, first of all, I would like to tell I learned more about working in a multicultural team because this helped me improve the way of my thinking as well as helping in developing new ideas and implementing it into its project. The more important thing is I learned about the agile development practices. I had been working in the industry for a while in agile practices, but I had been working for projects which has longer duration, and this is the first time I'm working for a short duration and with a lot of documentations to be done within the delivery. So it was a kind of mental pressure which I had, but still I was able to overcome it based upon the feedback which I got from the tutors and the help which I got from Ms. Gail, because she helped us our project in such a way that we learned each and everything of agile practices as well as we are able to implement that into the project. And the important thing is I learned to take the feedbacks from the tutors and implement it effectively, and I'm happy to see our project has come in such a big product because we just had an idea in the first stage and now it has come as a big product. So that's a good learning experience for me in this place.
Hey Daniel, what did this unit teach you?
Yeah, just talk about this unit. I just know if you have the patience and the experience, you can do anything. You can just overcome the problems. So this is the first time to develop a real website. So definitely I will meet a lot of problem. But fortunately, I have good work partners help me to solve this. So I just think if you want to do something well, the teamwork is very important for you.
Hi Jason, what is your learning from this unit?
I have learned a number of things from this unit. First of all, I have realized the importance of teamwork. Even though a person is very professional, he can hardly implement a project by himself because there are many aspects existing in a project. So only one person is not able to handle everything. Then is the agile development approach. Even though we know very little about agile development approach, but it has made it very convenient for us to modify the project. We are not afraid of changing the requirements because of agile development approach. Hey Arich, what was the experience from this unit?
I'm not gonna lie, at first I absolutely hated it. I was miserable, I was exhausted. But once we delivered the first delivery cycle, I felt like everything started to get easier because we had built that foundation and we just had to work on it or apply our work to it. So it got easier after that, and that's when I started to enjoy the unit and I started to see the differences it was making in our work and everything, and it got a lot funner, I would say.
Hey Arjun,
Yep.
what was the experience from this unit?
The experience which I'd like to take from this unit is basically working with new challenges and with changing requirements. This is really important for me because it helps me develop my experience in terms of my learning as well as in working in different kind of teams. And the second thing is like we were in a kind of a pressure when before DC1 because all our requirements were changed, and due to this we had a pretty short deadline before delivery cycle 1. But once we gave the product of DC1, it was a bit easy for us, and like we had a smooth journey since we had a foundation in the first, and which helped us learn a lot, and it made our journey a bit more easier. And the feedbacks from the tutors made our system more efficient, as well as I'm happy to say that we have won the best project in the expo. I would like to attribute all these success to my tutors and Ms. Gale, because without them we are nothing of this team. So I'd like to thank each and every one of them. Hi Jason, what is your learning experience from this unit?
The first one is the requirements gathering. I think it's really important because sometimes after you nearly finish the project, you find that your requirements is not correct. At this moment, you need to modify your project based on the new requirements, but this will be really challenging. So originally, you'd better gather the requirements as many as possible from the customers. Then is the time management. Time management is also a significant aspect for a project. Usually, we are too hurried to finish the project, so maybe we will ignore some very important aspects of the project. This will reduce our website's usability and our website performance. So later, maybe we need to improve our time management. Daniel, what was the experience from this unit?
So the best experience for me, I just think I have make a lot of friends with me. He just gives some advice and and also help me to solve some problem about my website. And I also know how to just slow and analyze the problem in my project. So I think this is a good chance for me.
So in the end, our product, Your Helper, it's a one-stop platform, a website which provides information about the nearest places and services to the elderly and disabled within the local community. And it also helps connect them to volunteers within Victoria. So in the end, what we're trying to do is we're trying to create an increasingly active community.
Hey, Rich.
Yep.
What's your plan for the future career?
I wish I knew. I've been applying to jobs both here and back home and in Dubai, and I don't know. I don't know where I'm going to be living in 6 months from now, which is pretty scary and exciting at the same time.
Hey, Arjun.
Yep.
What's your plan for the future career?
My future career, I would like to settle down in Australia first, and I've been applying for a couple of jobs and waiting for the response. And the good thing I would like to know about this 5120 unit is like it had helped me develop my interpersonal skills, especially in my communication, as well as the time management skills, as especially in using LeanKit, where we had good times in managing the tasks using this LeanKit efficiently, as well as it provided my resources with a group timeline, and I was able to tell my resources of the time of the important deadlines efficiently, as well as to manage the task in a good manner. And I'd like to take this learning to my future career, because this is really important in my future work, as well as in developing my future prospects.
Hi, Jason. Can you tell me what's your plan for your future career?
I was planning to stay in Australia and try to look for some IT related jobs here. I know that my IT skills are not professional enough at the moment, but I will try my best to improve my skills in order to find some satisfied jobs in Australia. I believe that I will have a bright future and a happy life in the future. Thank you very much.
That's really awesome.
Hey Daniel, what's your plan for future career?
Okay, so this is a good questions. For me as a IT guys, so I just want to become a full stack engineer and find a job, and I also want to like find a work partner just like the Silicon Valley, so they can do some really cool things and some really cool product, so have fun day by day. So for me, this is my dream job. I just really want to do like this.